Okay, good morning. My name's Nando Gazomi. I'm the unit coordinator and lecturer for mechanical design and development at Edith Cowan University. This is our team, our winning team from our finals here at Edith Cowan University, competing in the National Warman Design and Build competition for 2021. So this is our team.
Hi, I'm Justin, Lockie, John, Scott.
So we'll go through and do all the scrutineering checks or rules checks now. So we'll go through and do the weight measurements, and then we'll do the dimensional measurements, and then we'll let it sit for the 4 minutes as required before proceeding to do our runs. Okay, so they want to take the device over for weighing.
Batteries.
Okay, so the complete device you can see is just under 6 kilos, so it meets the weight requirements. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll set up the device on the test track within the required time. So I'll start the clock here before the students commence. Okay, so I have the timer here. Okay, so when you are ready, you can go. Yep. Okay, so that was 52 seconds for our setup. I'll start the clock again now. This is representing the 240 seconds that the device has to sit there waiting, but while we're waiting for the 240 seconds, we'll go through and do all the dimensional checks for our device. So you want to start setting up the measurements. Oh, do you want to lift your arm a little bit?
Still see that?
Yep.
490-ish.
Yep, so 490 millimeters, just over.
Sorry.
Yep.
See that?
Hang on, you have to rotate the tape. Yeah, so that there is
85.
85 or 490 millimeters,
Yep.
roughly around that. So it's under, and then doing the height.
We're about
You can see once again,
475.
yeah, about 475, 480 millimeters. So as you can see, the device meets the dimensional and weight constraints of the competition. Okay, so we'll just proceed to wait the 240 seconds before we commence our run number 1. While we're waiting for our time, we'll get the students to talk a little bit about the device itself.
Yeah. So again, my name's Lachlan. I'll talk a little bit about the mechanical design of our device. So what we have is 4 arms that sort of swing out like that from a central frame. And then once they have all gone out and deposited the balls, we have another elastic down here that just brings the whole frame over to the side behind the bundle zone. And I'll pass over to Scott.
So the ball release is all done by timing using an Arduino and just some servos. It's all powered by lithium batteries and fused to the back there. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you. Okay, 30 seconds left. Ten seconds. Okay, and that's 4 minutes. So the device is now sat there for 240 seconds in its setup position. So we'll now get Lachlan to go through and start the device. So I've got the timer here. Okay, so when we're ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so as you can see, first run, all the balls are in at just over 9 seconds. So what we'll do now is go through and set up for run number 2. All good?
Yep.
Okay, so this is our run number 2 for Edith Cowan University at the 2021 finals for the Warman Design and Build competition. Once again, I'll have the clock running here, and you can see the device running in the background. So when you're ready again, Lachlan, 3, 2, 1, go. And once again, all the balls are in at just under 10 seconds with 9 seconds 55. Well done, students, and that concludes our finals for the Warman Design and Build competition for 2021. So thank you very much.